Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Oluwaseun, also known as the Global Math Teacher. And if you've ever found mathematics confusing, difficult, even a little intimidating, trust me, you have nothing to worry about because you are absolutely in the right place, the right channel. On this channel, we will break mathematics down into simple, clear, and easy to understand steps from basic concepts all the way to advanced topics. Whether you're preparing for exams like Waec, JAM, SAT, 11 plus, IB Math, GED, IGCSE, Olympiad, whatever exam you could think of, or you're even looking to improve your math skills in school, this channel was designed just for you. Having you in mind was the reason this channel was created. I'll be sharing detailed explanation, problem-solving techniques, smart shortcuts, and exam strategies that actually works. Mathematics is not as hard as it seems or as hard as it's proclaimed to be in quotes. You just need the right guidance, the right tutor, the right explanation, which is what you'll be getting on this channel exactly. So if you're ready to boost your confidence and start getting better grades in mathematics, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification box for more new videos that are coming up, and also like, share, and subscribe. So come, let's make mathematics fun, simple, and easy. Bye. See you in my next video.